One of the reasons why we are made in the image of God is so that we can rule. By being made in the image of God, God is giving us authority over all of creation. In the olden days, kings and rulers would have their images placed all over the areas where they had authority. And those images were considered the king's representative. Not only do we look like God, we are also God's representative. Amen? We are the apex of God's creation. God could have made all of creation on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. And then on day 6, he could have made angels and given angels rule over all that he created. But instead, what did he do? He created man. He could have empowered the lions with all the things that they needed to have dominion. But instead, he created man. And then the question you have to ask yourself is why? Why did he make us? My brothers and sisters, God made you so that he can have a multi-dimensional relationship with you.